So I just threw together some space to start doing some new videos, and I think the very first thing I'm going to be bringing you guys is a first look and then a detailed review of 3 of the newest, most desired and high-end Hall effect magnetic switch mechanical keyboards. So I have had the Keychron Q1HE for a while now, but I haven't really had much time to use it yet. The switches felt a little bit heavy to me, so I got the lighter switches to install. And then earlier this week, I got the NuPhy Air60, and this is very interesting because it is a low profile magnetic keyboard. And then just the other day, the Wooting 80HE just arrived, and so far it looks and feels amazing. And I also got the lighter switches for that. So as soon as I get some time to record a more in-depth video, stay tuned for that.